Hello again, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail here with the 263 Turtle Wax Ice, Seal, and Shine videos out there. We are all aware of what it's capable of. In the testing we did just recently of the detail sprays, and if you haven't seen it yet, I recommend you go check it out. The Eagle 1 Wipe and Shine was just steps above the rest. Pretty much a detailer on steroids. Today we will match these up and see if Eagle 1 can keep up. Let's get to it. Today we're going to put Turtle Wax Ice, Seal and Shine against Eagle 1 Wipe and Shine. Turtle Wax Ice sets the bar when it comes to protection from a retail standard. When it comes to the Eagle 1 Wipe and Shine, we saw how tenacious and stubborn it was as a quick detailer. Let's match these up. One-on-one, put them on the same panel. Let me prepare the panel. We're going to clean it, decontaminate it, at least do an exfoliation, get a couple areas masked off, and get this test started. Okay, we have the panel cleaned, decontaminated, exfoliated. I have areas masked off for each product. We're going to put the Turtle Wax Ice, Seal and Shine here. We'll apply the Wipe and Shine over here. I have some stuff to do, so we'll give them ample time to cure. And we're going to come in and get some gloss readings after they've cured. We'll do the heat test, and we'll do the chemical test. And this is just to see how much the Eagle 1, the Wipe and Shine, can keep up with the Turtle Wax Ice. You know, this one here sets the bar when it comes to protection. This was very tenacious in initial testing. Let's see how far this can go. Okay, we're going to get these products applied in their designated section. We're going to try not to cross-contaminate. 2 layers each in each section from each product. Just like most of the products I apply, once I have it down there, I'll leave it at least dwell for 30 seconds or so if I'm not in direct sunlight. Okay, now the Eagle 1 section. Besides the odor, these products are very similar when it comes to application and removal. Let that sit for 30 seconds here at the shop. Behavior very similar between the two products. Put 2 layers here as well. This panel here has been repainted, and you'll notice that through the orange peel effect and the texture of the clear. So we're not going to get the incredible gloss readings that we do in some of the other testing, but we will see which one added more gloss on this particular panel. We'll start with the Seal and Shine. And as you can see, that's very low compared to what we've been seeing lately. Okay, Eagle 1 Wipe and Shine. So on this particular panel here, the Wipe and Shine takes it for gloss. Now remember, with the product's durability, there is a trade-off with shine. We saw that in the previous testing, and that's just something you want to keep in mind. We're going to remove the masking tape and do the heat test next. With the tape removed, you can easily see where the panel has been protected. Where it's not, that'll be a small control area there, as well as this large section up here. Now what we're going to use for the heat test today, since the heat gun had no effect whatsoever, we're going to step it up with a mini torch. I'll hold it about 5-6 inches away, and we'll see what effect that does. Will we have a larger area that's affected from the heat in one section or another? We'll see. Just quickly, ran through with the mini torch. We'll see if that makes a difference or not, because the heat gun certainly doesn't. Okay, when it comes to the chemical test, we're going to do something yet a little bit different today. We're going to use the Atom Strip Wash. I have 2 ounces in the bucket here. We're going to put a drop or 2 in each section. Take the mitt, massage the strip wash in each section, and repeat until one of these is the clear winner. First, let's check beading. These are going to be both pretty close, but we could take a look before we get started. All right, a gentle mist first. You can see the difference between the sections. Tighter beading in the Eagle 1 Wipe and Shine. You can see that distinct failure from the torch, but it's more evident in the Wipe and Shine section than it is the Seal and Shine. So, Seal and Shine took the heat much better than Wipe and Shine, but Wipe and Shine has better beading. Much tighter. Okay, let's get to the chemical test. All right, once again, each time we do this, we're going to put the strip wash in both sections. I already have 2 ounces in the wash bucket. We'll get the mitt, which is soaking in the suds from the wash bucket, work in the Atom Strip Wash in each section, and keep going till one of them fails. Okay, we rinsed off the residue. Let me grab you guys, bring you in close so we can take a look. Seal and Shine side. No problems whatsoever. We have the control in the middle, control on the outside. Take a look at that. Some sheeting. It's nice and clean. Let's get over to the Wipe and Shine. Again, not a problem at all for both of these sections. Let's keep going. By the way, I'm going to use as many rounds as necessary until one fails. So if I need to edit and start speeding things up here and there, I'm going to do so just to keep the length of the video reasonable. After round 2 of the strip wash, seal and shine. Control, control, wipe and shine. Okay, no problems whatsoever. Round 3 coming up. Okay, finally, after many, many rounds, still protection there. It's fading a little bit. However, protection in both areas are the same. The Eagle One Wipe and Shine, just as tenacious and stubborn as Seal and Shine. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to keep going. Okay, finally after the, I don't even know what round it is anymore. I'll post it at the top of your video there. But let's take a look at the Turtle Wax Ice sheeting. That's pretty much down to a clean panel. We have the control section. Wipe and Shine. Sheeting a little bit quicker. I'm going to let you guys call it because we're down to the nitty-gritty here. Only the edges really have the best protection. But just absolutely amazing. We found yet another product that is tenacious when it comes to protection. Take one more look and you guys call it down in the comment section. There you go. And for the final thoughts segment of the video, you guys let me know down in the comments section who you thought outlasted the other. It was a tenacious battle. Both are very stubborn. Both are very surprising. And we will continue to keep digging up gems for you guys to pick out and use that are easy for your wallet. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you guys in the next video.